Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Himanshu, je suis professeur de français et aujourd'hui je vais vous enseigner l'alphabet en français. My name is Himanshu and I'm your French teacher, and today I'm going to teach you letters in French. In French language we have 26 letters like English, but their pronunciation is different. Let's learn about them. A is pronounced as A, B is Be, C is Se, D is De, E is A, F is F, G is J, H is Ash, I is pronounced as E, J is J, K is K, L is L, M is M, N is N, O is O, P is P, Q is Q, R is Air, S is S, T is T, U is U, V is V, W is W, X is X, Y is Y, and Z is Z. If you want to learn French, this is my number. You can ping me on my WhatsApp number, and I request you please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.